Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, millions and billions of thanks to Allah who saved us from all the harms of this world and gathered us in this blessed institution for learning the knowledge of English language. Good noon, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to present an overview of my hometown Munshiganj. Historically, this place was known as Bikrampur. It is located in the Dhaka division, very close to the capital city. It is surrounded by three major rivers, the Padma, Meghna and Dhaleshwari. This town is famous for its rich history and agricultural products, especially potatoes. The Idrakpur fort and ancient Utish Dipankar Pandit's birthplace are significant landmarks. Famous personalities like scientist Jagadish Chandra Bosu and writer Humayun Azad were born here, and famous alim Shaykhul Hadith Allama Azizul Haq Rahimahullah and his son Maulana Mamunul Haq. Their district is also my district, Munshiganj. The culture of the Munshiganj is deeply rooted in traditional festivals and folk music. We are proud of our Bikrampuri hospitality and unique food items like Dehu Mishti. The climate of Munshiganj is tropical, warm summers and mild winters. Communication is excellent due to the Padma Bridge and various water routes. It is often called the gateway to southern Bangladesh. I feel proud of our district Munshiganj, and I am feeling proud to belong to a place such a glorious past. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation and listening my presentation patiently. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.